Today I want to give you my foolproof way of getting dressed every morning. Before we get into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. If you guys don't already know, I do personal styling on the app Indyx, I-N-D-Y-X, and I was thinking, what makes me so qualified to style these people? What do I feel that I have that maybe the average person doesn't have to create these outfits? And how can I give it to a wider array of people? Now, it might seem like I'm literally giving away all my secrets for my Indyx styling, and maybe you think that. I don't really promote myself for the app. I love doing it. People seem to love it from me. If it's out of budget or you don't want to catalog your whole closet, this could help or also give you a taste of what I offer on the app. I don't gatekeep knowledge, only links. So I wanted to preface that these outfit formulas are a little bit different than what we see of outfit formulas on TikTok. So on TikTok, a few outfit formulas have gone viral, and an outfit formula is basically saying, you know, A plus B equals a perfect outfit every time. Formulas that have gone viral on TikTok is like the sandwich method or wrong shoe theory. If you guys don't know what that is, sandwich method is basically making an outfit into a sandwich. Your top and shoes would be the bread of the sandwich, and then your pants would be the meat. So your top and shoes would match because bread matches, and then the meat would be different. And then wrong shoe theory is you have your entire outfit on, and then whatever shoes don't go with the outfit, that's what you put on, and it makes for a great outfit. So these are obviously really fun techniques and things to try out when putting together an outfit and to get different ideas for what you're wearing. But to me, these feel like things you do at the end of your outfit or when you're finishing it off. Sandwich method, I never go in completely blind and start with that. It's I have a shirt and pants already on, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do the sandwich method to pick out my shoe. And then same with wrong shoe theory, you already have your complete outfit on and then you're throwing on your shoes. The formulas I'm giving you today is you are starting from nothing. I have no idea where to start. I'm staring at my closet, pile of clothes. I don't have one item I wanna dress around. I have no direction. And that's sometimes how I feel doing these Indyx lookbooks, because every single piece in your closet is new to me. So I don't have something I'm really excited about because it's new and everything else is old. I'm normally pretty excited about a lot of the things, so I have to narrow down the way I'm gonna work. With that, let's get started. Let me know if you guys like this style of video too. You'll see it's a little different than what we're used to. Outfit formula that works every single time is denim on denim. If I see somebody has a denim jacket and jeans, you're getting a denim on denim look because it is goated. Your denim and your jeans do not have to match. Do not go out and buy a denim jacket and jeans in a set, or if you don't have either, I guess buy them in a set. Your dark wash denim jacket can go with light wash jeans, it can go with white jeans, it can go with black jeans. If you have brown jeans, cream jeans, anything, it can be so mixed and matched. You can also do it with a denim skirt. I think that's the only other denim I can really think of. Denim shorts, obviously, and have fun with the accessories. You can go two ways with these denim on denim looks. You can make it really chic with a leather pointed toe boot with just a sneaker. I love that it can be dressed up, dressed down. I say pair it with a fun pop of color bag, some fun accessories. Next outfit formula I always gravitate to is a chunky sweater and a summer skirt, and the summer equivalent, a graphic t-shirt and a summer skirt. I recently did an Indyx lookbook, and this person had a satin maxi dress, and I thought it was so beautiful with just a graphic tee on top. So I say take out that dress that you feel is a little bit too fancy, throw on a big chunky sweater or a graphic tee over the top, and you've got the base of an amazing outfit. The sweater and dress look, I say do a knee-high boot with it, preferably if you're wearing a maxi or a midi skirt with it. A boot that, I always talk about this, but the hemline of your dress covers or kisses the top of the boot. And if it's a mini skirt or dress, anything will do. In the summer, you could pair it with sandals, ballet flats, heels if you want to dress it up a little bit more. It's something I've never heard of. Honestly, a couple of these I've never really heard of. It's making a full outfit and never reaching for anything black or anything white. It creates the most fun, unique outfits and really challenges you to think of color and think of like tones and what goes together and what doesn't. It can be a little bit more tricky, obviously, if you can't really like look at color and see what goes together, but honestly, go with your gut. I don't think you can ever really go wrong with it. It's just gonna make an interesting outfit. Will it be 10 out of 10 every single time? No, but it's like fun. We have 365 days in a year. Put on the fun outfit, try something new. It's pieces you already have in your wardrobe. So that's what I love about outfit formulas, is most of the time they're pieces you already have in your wardrobe. So you already know you like them, you already know you'll wear them. Next outfit I always love is an all white or like cream beige outfit. I've been doing this for years and it always looks so good. Sometimes it's hard to keep the all beige or all white tone all the way to a bag and shoes. I do it both ways on Index. Normally give like 2 shoe options if the person has everything available in their closet, but I also love the look of pop a color shoe and pop a color bag, or even like a black shoe and a black bag with an all white outfit. Again, like there's really no rules to these outfit formulas. They're just great bases, get everything flowing. Last outfit formula is so classic, works every time, is all black, but with a fun silhouette. All black can look so chic. I think start to style an outfit. I think, am I focusing on the color, the silhouette, the texture, or like a significant piece even? And when I do an all black outfit, it's normally focused on the silhouette because that's really all you have to work with. So a tight top and an A-line skirt, ruffles or drapery, or like a cowl neck, a turtleneck, just like something interesting going on with these all black pieces. And pleats, like pairing a fun purse with it. Your purse will be black, your shoes will be black, everything's black, but it looks... That's it for my outfit formulas. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Let me know if you want another video like this. You can do a video watching me style somebody's Index lookbook if I get their permission. And yeah, let me know. Before we end this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring. Let's talk a little bit about them. Another year of me talking about one of my favorite companies, and that's Squarespace. I have been using Squarespace now for, oh my god, this is my 9th year using Squarespace and having a Squarespace website. I've used it as a portfolio for job searching, having my resume on there. I've used it as an online store. I've used it as a blog. Squarespace is so much more than just a website builder. A new feature on Squarespace is their design intelligence. It's 2 decades of industry-leading design expertise and cutting AI technology to unlock your strongest potential. It makes it so easy to design your website, figure out your branding, and have everything cohesive and all in one place. Squarespace also has a blueprint AI. You can start a fully custom on-brand website with their AI builder. It will ask you a few questions and take in all your answers, creating the most perfect website for you and your brand. It feels cohesive, it gives you options to play around with, giving you a website that just encompasses the feel of your brand. Ton of work, because building a website without Squarespace is impossible. I've tried it before, it's impossible. Don't try it, just use Squarespace. I know so many of you guys end up using Squarespace for online portfolios or job searching, which was one of my favorite ways. I know with the start of the new year, we have new hobbies or new things we want to try out, and online stores can be a big goal for the new year and can feel really intimidating, but Squarespace makes it easy. Showcase your products and customize your product listings with images, videos, reviews, related products, and add-ons that help you make more sales. The Squarespace commerce platform makes managing everything from inventory to sales and customers simple. Print shipping labels directly through Squarespace and save time when you're fulfilling orders. Having your own Squarespace website opposed to selling other places literally just cuts out the middleman. I really recommend it if you're an online seller for like vintage clothes or literally anything else, product services. So if you guys don't have your Squarespace website set up yet, you can use the link in my description box or go to squarespace.com/LanieOzark to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain using code LanieOzark. I literally just forgot to end this video, so I figured I'd give you Ernie content. Say I'm sorry. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And my closet, I literally was just doing it downstairs, so I'm sweating. I'm so excited for you guys to see it, so stay tuned for that closet tour makeover video.